Stretching is a fundamental component of any effective workout routine. Yet, many fitness enthusiasts overlook its importance. In this video, we will explore why stretching is vital for your workout routine and overall fitness. By the end of this video, you will understand the significant benefits of stretching and how to incorporate it into your routine for maximum results. We also have a quick actionable cheat sheet for you, so stay tuned. Key concepts. Stretching involves elongating your muscles to improve flexibility and range of motion. There are different types of stretching, including static, dynamic, and PNF stretching. Each type serves a unique purpose and offers specific benefits. Understanding these types will help you choose the best stretching methods for your workout routine. Static stretching. Static stretching involves holding a stretch in a challenging but comfortable position for a period, typically between 15 to 60 seconds. This type of stretching is best performed after your workout during the cool-down phase. It helps to elongate the muscles, improve flexibility, and enhance recovery. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching involves moving parts of your body and gradually increasing reach, speed of movement, or both. This type of stretching is ideal before a workout as it helps to prepare your muscles and joints for physical activity. It increases blood flow, raises muscle temperature, and enhances nerve activity. PNF stretching. PNF stretching stands for proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation and involves both stretching and contracting the muscle group being targeted. It is often done with a partner or using resistance. PNF stretching is highly effective at increasing flexibility and is typically used in physical therapy settings. Incorporating stretching into your workout routine can transform your fitness journey. It can lead to better performance, reduced injury risk, and enhanced recovery. Stretching also promotes better circulation, reduces muscle tension, and improves posture. By the end of this video, you will feel more motivated to include stretching in your fitness routine. Improved performance. Regular stretching helps to improve muscle flexibility and joint range of motion. This enhanced flexibility can lead to improved performance in physical activities by allowing you to execute movements more effectively and with better form. Reduced injury risk. Stretching helps to increase the range of motion of your joints and muscles. This increased range of motion can help to reduce the risk of injuries during physical activities. When your muscles are flexible, they are less likely to suffer from strains and sprains. Enhanced recovery. Post-workout stretching helps to improve blood flow to the muscles, which aids in the removal of metabolic waste products like lactic acid. This can help to reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery time. Practical tips and actionable advice. To make the most out of your stretching routine, follow these practical tips. Warm up first. Always perform a light warm-up before stretching to increase blood flow to your muscles. Hold stretches. Hold each stretch for at least 15-30 seconds to allow your muscles to relax and elongate. Breathe deeply. Focus on deep, controlled breathing while stretching to enhance relaxation and flexibility. Avoid bouncing. Avoid bouncing or jerky movements while stretching to prevent injury. Listen to your body. Stretch to the point of mild discomfort, not pain. Respect your body's limits and gradually improve over time. Warm up first. Before diving into your stretching routine, it is essential to start with a light warm-up. This could be a few minutes of brisk walking, jogging, or any other light activity that gets your heart rate up and increases blood flow to your muscles. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles for stretching and reduces the risk of injury. Hold stretches. When performing static stretches, it is crucial to hold each stretch for at least 15–30 seconds. This allows your muscles to relax and elongate properly. Holding a stretch for less time may not provide the full benefits of stretching. Breathe deeply. Deep, controlled breathing during stretching can enhance relaxation and improve flexibility. Focus on inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. This not only helps to relax your muscles but also increases the oxygen supply to your muscles. Avoid bouncing. Bouncing or making jerky movements while stretching can lead to injuries. Instead, focus on smooth, controlled movements. Bouncing can cause your muscles to tighten up, which is counterproductive to the goal of stretching. Listen to your body. It is important to stretch to the point of mild discomfort, not pain. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to injuries. Listen to your body and respect its limits. Over time, with consistent practice, your flexibility will improve. Techniques and habits. To build effective stretching habits, incorporate these techniques into your routine. Dynamic stretching. Perform dynamic stretches before your workout to prepare your muscles for exercise. Static stretching. Use static stretches after your workout to help with cool down and recovery. Consistency. Make stretching a consistent part of your daily routine, even on non-workout days. Variety. Incorporate a variety of stretches to target different muscle groups and improve overall flexibility. Progress tracking. Keep a log of your stretching routine and progress to stay motivated and track improvements. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching involves moving parts of your body through a full range of motion. Examples include leg swings, arm circles, and torso twists. Performing dynamic stretches before your workout helps to increase blood flow to your muscles and prepares your body for the physical activity ahead. Static stretching. Static stretching involves holding a stretch in a challenging but comfortable position for a period. This type of stretching is best performed after your workout during the cool-down phase. It helps to elongate the muscles, improve flexibility, and enhance recovery. Consistency. To reap the full benefits of stretching, it is important to be consistent. Make stretching a part of your daily routine, even on days when you are not working out. Consistent stretching helps to maintain and improve flexibility over time. Variety. Incorporating a variety of stretches into your routine ensures that you are targeting all major muscle groups. This helps to improve overall flexibility and reduces the risk of muscle imbalances. Focus on stretches for your legs, back, chest, shoulders, and arms. Progress tracking. Keep a log of your stretching routine and progress. This can help you stay motivated and track your improvements over time. Note how long you hold each stretch, any changes in flexibility, and how your body feels before and after stretching. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Tip 1. Start with a 5-minute warm-up before stretching. Tip 2. Incorporate dynamic stretches like leg swings and arm circles before your workout. Tip 3. Perform static stretches such as hamstring stretches and shoulder stretches after your workout. Tip 4. Hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds and repeat 2-3 times. Tip 5. Stretch every major muscle group, including legs, back, chest, and shoulders. Tip 6. Breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Tip 7. Avoid bouncing and jerky movements. Tip 8. Stretch regularly, aiming for at least 3-4 times per week. Conclusion. Stretching is crucial for your workout routine and overall fitness. It enhances performance, reduces injury risk, and promotes recovery. By incorporating the tips and techniques discussed in this video, you can make stretching an integral part of your fitness journey. Remember to use our quick actionable cheat sheet to guide you. Please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.